Why am I here? Question number 3. You will live below your ability if you don't know answer to question number 3. If you don't know answer to question number 3, you will accept any deal that comes. You will accept compromise. You will, not develop yourself. You will not improve yourself. You will not unlock your ability. It is a question of purpose. What can I truly do? It's a question of potential. Sorry, question of potential. What can I truly do? Many people, they think that what they did yesterday defines their tomorrow. Destinies, they do not precast. When your destiny is not based on your past. It does not forecast itself. It's not like a prophecy that somebody else tells and say, you know what, you are meant to become less. It's not like when news reporters or climatologists are speaking about the weather there and they are busy telling us this is the weather that is coming next. Your destiny does not precast. That is why many people who fail think that they are failures, because they don't understand that there is a difference between being a failure and failing. Failing is what you do. Failure is who you become. So you must not become a failure. You may fail, but do not become a failure. This is actually the mind we need to be able to constantly develop. The mind to be able to constantly evolve into. The question is what? The question is, what can I truly do? Some of us, we are going to stop at places where God demands that we must go further because we think that what we have is the best. Thank God for the check. Thank God for the job that you are having. Thank God for the salary that you are having. But I'm telling you this, if the call of potential screams inside of you, you will forever be ungrateful, almost seemingly ungrateful for where you are at, not because you are ungrateful, but because there is something better for you to be able to live for.